Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you an unboxing from Miss Angela. I don't know if it's Kerr or Carr. Sorry, Angela. Anyway, she makes the most beautiful digital designs and I have no way to print mine out, so she prints them out for me and I get them that way. Now you can go to her website or on Etsy and look her up. She's beautiful. So I already took it out of the box. I have actually two things to show you, so hopefully it'll fit on this one video. So every time she sends things, she always sends a little tag that has been stitched, and it's so pretty with a little pink ribbon. And then this is what she wrapped it up. Got tore a little bit at the end, but I'm going to use it in my journal. Isn't that beautiful? It's like toile or something. It's that Victorian looking pink, and I love this tissue paper. So yes, I'm going to use it. Now this is a printed kit, mind you, and if you do need a printed kit, she has those available, and you get 2 sets, but then if you have an ability to print, then I would suggest you get the digital downloads. So what I got, and you get a bigger kit when you get it printed, but I got the Letters of a Woman. I think that's what it's called. Let's see. Yes, it is Letters from a Lady, excuse me. And on this kit, I got the digital to do the junk journal with, then background papers, and then I think I ordered this separately. This was the letters printed, altered book pages and things. And I think if you order a print kit, she prints them out to the size that you need. So this is, I'm not sure, it's either 8.5 by 11 or 8.5 by 3/4, which would be A4 size. So let's just take a look at this gorgeous paper. So this is the kit. Now mind you, this is two printings of it. So I can get 2 journals out of this, maybe 3. But isn't that beautiful? Look at that. And it is this is double-sided printed. So you have flowers on this side, and then the little teacups on that side. And I don't know where she comes up with these ideas from, but they're just absolutely gorgeous. On this side has French, and then the pictures. And then here's one of the ladies. And it's already sort of split, so you'll know. And then roses on the back. And then this one is right here. These are so gorgeous. And then this has a damask, a very light damask. It's kind of pinkish on the back. And then this page, and it has sort of a pink damask, a little bit brighter pink. And then the same thing on this one. Now I love how these are split into book pages already, so you can fold them and make your book pages, and then you have an area that's really light. You can write on the back. And then this. And this has more creamy polka dots. Just gorgeous. Love this page too. It's so hard when you get double-sided pages, but when you make a journal, you get to see both sides. There you go. And this is kind of like a little collage page. Excuse me. I am still trying to get rid of all this junk that I have, but it's getting better. So here. And then this has the lace on the background. Now I love these writing pages too. And you get 1, 2, one's in the cream color and one's in the pink color. And they both have like the little collage things on the back. And then you get tags. And of course, these are all single-sided, and I'll put tea dye paper behind them, or avocado dye paper. And then you get an envelope. This is a beautiful envelope here. And then another one. I think one is this light, very light pink, and one is this kind of cream color. And then you get one in the brighter pinks. So those are very pretty. And then you have some smaller little envelopes here, and then you have some tuck spots and little envelopes like this, and then you have some like little corner tuck spots or corner pockets. Same here. Then these are just like little cut aparts, little circles and things that you can use. If you have a 1.5 inch punch, these cut these out beautifully. And then you have some journaling cards. And then these are more like little tiny pockets or tucks. And then you have more journaling cards here. And then it also comes with the tabbies, little tabs you can cut out and use. And then you get these beautiful postcards that you can use for journaling cards. Aren't those gorgeous? I just love this whole collection. It's perfect for like Valentine's Day. It's also perfect. I'm going to make one of them into like a prayer journal or whatever. But someone's asked me if I would do like a Proverb 31 woman, you know. And so that she can use for her study during Proverbs 31. So I may be doing that. But these are just gorgeous. Look at these pictures. Look how, they're just stunning. So you get quite a lot with this kit. Now, you do not get all this with the digital kit. They do come in different kits, but they're significantly less, of course. But I love this little notes things. These are kind of miniatures of some of the pages. And then this is called Romantic Letters. They're just a bunch of quotations and stuff. Strength from my heart. Words are lands to focus one's mind. Letter writing is the only device for, excuse me, combining solitude with good company. Love that one. So all kinds here. And then here. And then there's some mini ones. Now, I will be using these mini ones, maybe on some pockets of these in here, but also she just came out with the mini collection, the little mini folio or journal that she just came out with. And so everything matches and coordinates beautifully. So I can use all that on there. I haven't received that one yet. I just ordered it today. And then these are, let's see. I'm trying to look where it starts over. Oh, I think it starts over right in here. But, yeah, so these are just beautiful. And let's see. Now, the second set is not double-sided, but that's okay. Because I have other things for this. So that is one of the main kits combined with the little sayings and some of the other things. I will leave a link to the website below. And I love when you get these, like if you get the printed kit, it all comes in these plastic sleeves. And it's just wonderful to keep everything together. And I'm so excited to start working on this. And I will be working on it very soon. Okay, so this kit is a background kit that I ordered, like background paper and stuff. So you have like the collage page. And then this collage page. Isn't that beautiful? Now you can use this page to, as a collage page or whatever. I just love all the stamps. Then you have the dark pink polka dot, the cream polka dot, whoopsie, a light pink polka dot, and then you have the cream colored damask. I hope you can see these good. My lighting is not the best. Then you have this little blue damask. It's really pretty. And this like I would say Victorian velvet. Almost reminds me of Victorian velvet from the dye inks that we all use. I can't even think of it right now. And then I love these lace pages. It's got the cream color, the deep pink color, a light pink color. And then you have some more of this kind of damask. It's got like little, to me it looks like little hearts in it. And then in the cream color also. And then in the deep fuchsia color, or pink color. They look the same, but they're actually two different color pinks. Okay. And then you get another set of these as well. And then, put this up. Then I also got this kit, which is the altered book pages, and this is so beautiful. Now these you would definitely cut, you know, cut the sides off of and stuff, and it was done from the Little Women's book, so I thought that was so apropos. But they're just beautiful pages. And these are double-sided, by the way. And so you have this side, and then this side, and then this side, this side, and this side. I'll just hurry up through them. You don't. But they're just gorgeous. If you've never used her designs, I really do encourage you to go over and check out what she has. She has some, they're on sale now, and also some past kits that are on sale. And then these are just book pages themselves, which I really love that. And then she makes the mini book pages. Can you guess what I'm going to do with these? The mini journal kits, and they're dotted by the little pink Swiss on the back. And then that, I'm going to be using some of these in the mini journals when I get that order. And I've decided that I'm going to spend money on the things that I really want and things that I really enjoy doing, and not so much on other things. Of course, there will always be Dollar Tree, no worries, but isn't that beautiful? I just love these. And then again, she gave the plain book pages, but they're all the same on the back. Now, that's that kit. Now, I ordered some accessories because I wanted to do, oh, and that's another thing. Every time she creates a kit, you can follow her step by step, putting the journal together, or you can do your own thing or whatever, but I'm kind of using some of the stuff. So this is what I got from her the other day. I wanted to wait until I had everything together, but I bought the fabric bundles from Letters from a Lady and the tea stain, avocado stain, and cream lace background pages. And there again, here's a beautiful little tag. So I actually have 2 tags. Now, I don't have a way to sew right now, but I'm working on it. And then this fabric bundle is gorgeous. Look at these little fabrics. And you get enough to make pockets with or whatever you want, but isn't that beautiful? Then you have these little tiny roses, and this really pretty one here. And then this is a much more muted, almost like, I don't know exactly, mauve-like. Just beautiful, though. And then you have this pink with the pink roses on it. I love that one. Well, I love them all, but then you have this right here is a cream color. And she matches her kit so well. And we have these little flowers, like little tiny violets. And then the rosebuds. And then this pinkish mauve color, big roses. And this one is the one that she sends for you to use your book cover. And it's big enough to cover your book. Isn't that gorgeous? So I cannot wait to get started on this. So that's one thing that I got. And I love the bag she sent it in. So you'll be seeing this bag in an up-and-coming journal sometime. All right. And then the last thing I got is the background paper. I'm just going to flip this through. This is like a lace page. And they are double-sided. Let's see. And then I think you get like, I'm not sure how many pages, but quite a lot. And then you have the avocado dyed paper, which is beautiful. And then you get the tea stain paper, which is really pretty. I like it's got dark places in it and stuff. You can tell it's tea stain, but it's not so dark that it hinders you from writing on it. So I'm really excited about that. So that is my kit that I've gotten. Like I said, I love these, and they're gorgeous kits. It's let's see if our information's on here. I didn't get the ribbon bundle just because it's not the kids that cost so much, it's the shipping. But anyway, yeah, I was looking to see if her address was on here, but it is Angela Kerr Designs. That right there. But I will put everything down in the description box below. All the information and everything that you can get from her. It comes very nice packaged. It comes in nice sturdy boxes. And you know what? It ships a lot faster than Temu does sometimes, honestly. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I said, I think you will love her digital designs if you haven't used them. If you need a printed design, they are available. And I have to tell you, I've just been thrilled with everything I've gotten. I did get another kit from her outside of this, and I did not show it to you guys, and I may do that at a later date. I don't know if she still has any of those. That's why I haven't showed it to you, but I know that these are still available. But, I mean, I'm sure since it's digital, you can get it or whatever. But, yeah, anyway, thank you for joining me. I'm really excited to start working with this. I hope you can see the craftsmanship and the work that she puts into these designs. And so go down to the link in the description box and show her some YouTube crafty love. And by the way, she's in the UK. And so if you didn't know that, but check out her videos. She does beautiful work as well. And now, if you're new to my channel and you're just showing up for the first time, thank you and welcome. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. And everyone hit these thumbs up buttons. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.